Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to another video. So in this short tutorial, I will show you how to create an icon for your website. So if you zoom in, you can see that we have an icon for our website, tipswithalam.com. So you can create your own. Let's see, for example, if I visit Google, I see a G here, an icon here, which is Google's Favicon or their site icon. So you can create your own. So to create this, we are going to be using an online tool called favicon.io. Just visit this website and you have three ways to generate your icon for the website. Either you can convert your image into icon, or you can convert a text into an icon, or you can go for an emoji as a icon for your website. So we're going to be doing it with an image. So click on image, skip this ad, and you have to upload the files that you want to convert. So I'll just click here and select the file that I want to convert into an icon. You can see I have my picture ready here on the desktop. I'll select this and click on open and click download. Now this will download all the favicons in a zip file. Let me locate this. You can see we have this favicon 3 extract, and we have this folder over here. So we have all this different size for Android, for Chrome, for Apple. So the most suitable one for your website is 512 into 512 pixel, this one. So let's go back to our WordPress website and go to settings, and in the site icon just click on choose a site icon and go to upload files and click on select files and go to downloads. Open the folder that you just extracted and select this 512 into 512 pixel icon and click open. Now this will upload your icon to the WordPress library. You just need to select this. If you want, you can put a alt text for this to be indexed or to be found on Google. I'm not going to do that right now. I'll click on set as site icon. Ta-da, the site icon is set. And don't forget to click on save changes. You can see the Google is actually picking up the site icon that I just uploaded. So you can see the icon is visible on the browser as well. And this is the website. I will leave a link in the description. Shout out to the owner, one of the best websites. Thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.